Welcome back to Improve Autos. Imagine this. You're roaring down Route 66 in a 500 horsepower Mustang GT, but when the sun goes down, you don't check into a hotel. You just walk into the back of your car and go to sleep. Sounds impossible? Well, meet the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome GT Edition. This is the wildest automotive mashup of the decade, blending the soul of an American muscle car with the luxury of a high-end RV. Today, we're breaking down everything from the V8 growl to the kitchen sink. Let's get into it. Pricing. Let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Since this is a specialized high-performance conversion, it's not your average camper price. Experts estimate that a fully equipped Mustang GT Motorhome would start at approximately $185,000 USD. If you go for the Dark Horse Performance Package with premium carbon fiber living quarters, you could be looking at over $250,000. It's more expensive than a house in some states. But can your house do 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds? I didn't think so. Performance. Usually, motorhomes are slow and heavy, but not this one. Under that iconic long hood sits the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, pumping out a massive 486 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque. To handle the extra weight of the living quarters, the suspension has been upgraded with heavy-duty Magna-Ride dampers and Brembo brakes. You're getting a 10-speed automatic transmission tuned for both highway cruising and mountain climbing. It's the only RV in the world that sounds like a literal beast when you start it up in the morning. Interior. Step inside and it's a total transformation. The front cockpit is pure Mustang, featuring the massive 13.2-inch Sync 4 touchscreen and the digital dash. But look behind the seats and you'll find a luxury studio apartment. We're talking about a queen-size convertible bed, a kitchenette with an induction cooktop, and even a hidden shower module. The red and white theme from the exterior continues inside with premium leather and carbon fiber accents. It's tight, it's cozy, and it's built with the same cockpit feel as the car itself. But there's more. This rig is fully off-grid capable with 800 watts of solar panels integrated into the aerodynamic roof shell. You also get a 360-degree camera system to help you park this long-tail beast at any campsite. So here's the big question. Would you trade your family SUV for a V8 Mustang you can live in? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos.